Hello students, good evening. First of all, today's exam is over. Now that you cannot do anything about today's exam, you gave answer sheet to the examiner and you came out of the class. You cannot do anything, so don't discuss about how you have written the paper with your friends and with anybody. Just leave it. Okay. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you day before exam strategy for CMA Inter Direct Taxation for June 2025 exam, which is going to be held tomorrow. Okay. Now, I have gone through last 6 attempts question papers. I am going to reveal you the strategy. Follow this strategy. It will be highly helpful. You will easily clear DT if you follow this strategy. At CMA Inter level, he is focusing on asking questions till total income chapter. Whatever the chapters that are there after total income, return of income, advance tax, TDS, TCS, exempted incomes, residential status 2, from these chapters he is not asking question much. So most of the questions are being asked till total income chapter only. So like definitely there will be one question from residential status, pakka. Without preparing residential status, don't go. Definitely first question will be from residential status, no doubt in it. Next, second, from salaries he is mandatorily asking one question. From house property also he is asking a question. There are many amendments in capital gains, especially in Finance Act number 2 of 2024. So you can definitely expect one question. Mandatorily question will also come from capital gains. Next, like there is a question that can be asked from PGBP. Either question will be asked independently from PGBP head, or question will be asked about total income and tax liability calculation. In that total income and tax liability calculation, there will be PGBP adjustments. Sir, how to remember PGBP adjustments? For that, I made a separate video. You can check in my channel. There is total income adjustments YouTube video. Please go through that video. All adjustments you will recollect in just 20 minutes. Okay. Next, from income from other sources. Income from other sources, set off of losses. These two are very small chapters, yet from these chapters also questions are being asked. So when you sit for preparation, like first study income from other sources and set off of losses, because like there are small chapters, income from other sources, set off of losses, it takes very less time to prepare, and in examination 7 marks question will come from other sources, 7 marks question will come from set off of losses. Are you able to understand? So instead of focusing on big chapters, first if you finish your preparation with regard to other sources and set off of losses, 14 marks. I am expecting one question each from other sources and set off of losses. Worst case, at least 7 marks will come from other sources and set off of losses. So, income from other sources, set off of losses. So, first priority you should give to these two chapters, and next you need to give second priority to residential status. Pakka question, mandatorily a question will come, and occasionally he is also testing on agricultural income concept. So agricultural income concept also please go through. There are examples in my booster material. Examples are available, examples for agricultural income, examples for non-agricultural income, how to calculate tax liability when agricultural income is there. So this much, at least these 8 chapters pakka prepare and go in the examination. When it comes to MCQs, he can ask from anywhere, but descriptive questions out of these 8 chapters, at least 4 to 5 questions definitely will come. Okay, that's my assurance. So like you can prepare like this. First you prepare set off of losses, other sources, then you prepare residential status, then you prepare agricultural income, then you can prepare house property simple, then salaries, then capital gains. Last, watch my video PGBP adjustments 20 minutes. You will understand PGBP adjustments. Then last, prepare PGBP total income and tax calculation. In this way, plan your preparation. I wish you all the very best. I know, I believe in you. You will rock. Whether you believe in yourself or not, that's the question. Okay, thank you.